My name's Mike Sohn, and I'm an ASP instructor trainer in the United States. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the three basic types of handcuffs. The first basic style of handcuff is the chain. Now, these particular handcuffs are made by ASP, and they're red, which indicates that they're for training only. As you can see, the chain allows the greatest range of motion for the cuffs. They turn in 4 different directions, left to right, as well as up and down. This allows the greatest ease of application for the officer onto the subject's hands. However, it does not offer a lot of control or stability. The second style of handcuffs are the hinge. These are the ASP hinge handcuffs, and they have 4 pivot points on the steel links in between each cuff. They offer more stability, but they are slightly harder to apply because they only go in 2 directions. They don't rotate side to side. Slightly harder to apply, but greater control and stability. Finally, the third style of handcuff are the rigid. These are the ASP rigid handcuffs, and when you extend the cuffs, they remain in a locked position. This offers the greatest amount of stability and control because there is no flexible or turning aspect of the handcuffs. As you can see, they are locked out up and down, and they do not turn left or right. These cuffs are the hardest to apply, but offer the most amount of control. When you're done and you want to return the handcuffs to your handcuff holster, you take a standard handcuff key and insert it into the keyhole located in the center of the cuff. One turn allows you to then release the locking mechanism, fold the handcuffs to the original position, and return them into your case.